One of the things that surprised me most about entrepreneurship was realizing that not every business creates freedom. Some businesses create flexibility, others create stress. Some create options and others create obligations. That's why it's important to think carefully about what you're building. If you've been dreaming about entrepreneurship, I want you to think beyond replacing your paycheck. Think about designing a life that supports your well being, a life that gives you room to breathe. Because what's the point of building something successful if you're constantly overwhelmed, right? What's the point of earning more if you're too exhausted to enjoy it? What's the point of creating opportunities if you never have time to experience them? I believe business should enhance your life, not consume it. And that's why intentional design matters. Think about how you want your days to look. Think about how much time you want with family. Think about your health. Think about your energy. Think about your priorities. Then you build accordingly. Too many people start with the business and hope life will eventually fit around it. I think we should start with the life and build the business around that.
What if your business looks successful but didn't feel aligned? So many entrepreneurs are doing all the right things yet still feel overwhelmed, stuck, or disconnected. That's exactly why I created Pathway to Prosperity to help you get clear on your vision, break through limiting beliefs, and build a business that actually reflects you. Not just growth, but sustainable, balanced success without burnout. If you're ready to turn your passion into a business that truly thrives, this is your next step.
Because entrepreneurship isn't just about creating income, it's about creating possibilities, it's about creating flexibility, it's about creating a life that feels sustainable and fulfilling. And yes, building anything worthwhile requires work. But there is a difference between working hard towards your goal and feeling trapped by your schedule. You deserve a life that includes ambition and balance, growth and peace, success and fulfillment. Those things don't have to be opposites. The key is being intentional from the very beginning. Build something that serves your life, not something that takes it over. If you're looking for a way to build income while creating more flexibility and room to breathe in your life, send me a message. I'd love to help you explore a pathway that may fit your goals and lifestyle.